it's fun because we play so many different instruments,
such as the glockenspiel, the guitar, the ukulele.
I think it's very good because everyone wants to learn different stuff and different things. We're all different, we're all unique.
What I like about music is that we get to learn about a lot of cultures. For example, like French, Spanish, and African.
I remember learning about Africa, and there were these special drums called djembe drums which are used for celebrations.
What was really fun, we made our own African drums in class and we played music with them.
What I like about music is when we do big performance.
Like the song Jingle Bells, we learned all the accents for it.
Then we performed it when it was Christmas.
How do songs help you with your learning?
So, if you put the continent song on, you will know all the continents like Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, finally Australia. And you might have a little bit of dancing if you want to. In PE, we move around to different songs.
Mr. Boyd is a ukulele teacher and teaches us the notes of the ukulele and the things that you play.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
What is the pulse of a song?
It's like a heartbeat and you can feel it and keep the song going and going.
What is tempo?
It's like fast and slower.
The plumber drummer, he came in and then he gave us a very special performance, and he had a drum that had a few pipes, and then he had to use flip-flops to make it to make the sound.
All the songs we learn have positive messages.
Like the Stop Bullying song, it's kind of like a rap for kids to learn to don't bully, don't be mean, to be kind.
Stop bullying! Stop bullying!
1, 2, 3.
Stop! It's no good to be a bully. Stop! I hope you understand fully. Stop! So let's be friends. Friends until the end. Stop! It's no good to be a bully. Stop! I hope you understand fully. Stop! So let's be friends. Friends until the end.
You just go on your own.